pa rin sila dalawa. Edward! Go, Light! Yahweh, galingan mo, Diyos ko. Ako kinakabahan. Galing talaga. To the best junglers. Oh. Ah, yes, okay. Magpatalo ka today. Para bang champion na Aurora. Ah, Diyos ko. Doming kayo kabahan. Aurora.
The M7 World Championship Grand Final!
Uy, laban-laban Indo.
It is our honor to welcome Indonesian national team goalkeeper
puno lagi.
Agawinata as he represents the coach of both teams, master the
Puno
basis
kay may
and
nainag-champion.
of Aurora Gaming Philippines. As well
Pasok sa Grand
as
Finals.
Zephyr and Styx of Alter Ego Esports alongside our head referee.
Why? Master the basic, ayusin mo.
We assure you that the
Mga drafting mo.
Grand
Diyos ko.
Final will be conducted with the highest standards of professionalism and fairness. Now, ladies and gentlemen, both
Rora.
finalists are on the stage.
Rora, good luck, Rora. Rora. Rora, kunin nyo na ang M7, please. Huwag na kayong ma-choke. Please.
And now, let the grand finals begin! Good luck to both our competitors up on the stage. Through blood, sweat, and tears, they are here to
smiling face talaga si
represent
Nino.
for one goal and one goal only.
No matter what happens today, the storyline will be good. It's Aurora trying
Rora.
to escape the allegations that has been given to them. They were called chokers so many times, but this time they have another chance to prove it in the grandest of stages, the world of MLB.
Please, huwag na kayong
Again,
ma-choke.
thank our casters for the introduction. But here it is again, Edward Dimankai, UA Light, as well as Doming Kai. These are names you heard so many times, but again, they haven't become the champions of the world just yet. We'll see this time, can they finally do it?
Mr. Consistent looks like he's trying to change it all. 100% win rate on Yuzong, Arlen, Sora, a whopping win rate for an upper bracket run.
And then you're looking at Demon Kai, who has really varied choices of his jumblers. 80% win rate when it comes to
Ay,
win rate,
good luck,
as it
Rora,
6
good
times,
luck.
but 100% win rate when
I
it
love
comes
you,
to the
Rora.
Baxia. And then you have your Akai that he picks up only